Kevin Kinengo Katisiani wakuli atongo yonze sakuwe na olote kaunti ya Kitui kutanisa na uteti wa tene na kuthukuma mwene nthi aine naomba none umwe Mombasa Kinengo ni wathingilila vata wa uthukumi mwailu ni woka sukumia kusakuwa ingi kwa kilungu cha miongo na yulwa ya naiweta kana uteti wa tene notuma serikali itatoa isa maendeleo. Mike Mulinyamai ni mwandiki wetu wa Mauvo.
Kavindani ka uteti wa tene ukoneka uminite kwambia speaker wa kaunti ya Kitui Kevin Kinengo Katisia niwamenda atongo ya sakuwe famwe na alama kuoloto serikalini ya kaunti ya Kitui kwivathana na uteti wa komanda usakwa nini wa ngili na miongwele na muanza na vandu vake kosa na uito maundu ma uthukumi kwi mwene nthi.
I know most of us who are here, especially MCS and CCMs and even CEOs, we are politicians in mind. We are all politicians because we work for a political entity. But mine is an advice. It is true that we got into these seats politically and we may want to obtain them politically. But my advice to all of us is to avoid engaging in early campaigns. Members of the county executive, most of you are politicians, and I know, some of you have already started doing campaigns. But for now, please, I want to request you. Let us work.
Ainene ya kuya Mombasa, Speaker Kinengo ni wathingilila uthukumi mwailu ukethwa uyothothia kwa kilungu kinene kusakuwa ingi kwa atongo ya lameivila ni kivathukanio kwa oyu na kwa uu vaivata wa uteti wa ivinda iteaniite ayumia ukanyo kana uteti uyu ni vatonyeka ukasiya kuyaniwa kwa imwe ya mivango ya maendeleo ya serikali.
What will matter in 2027 if you are an MCA now, 80% will be the work we have done. 20% will be those campaigns. And the governor is a very good example that he was re-elected overwhelmingly because of what he had done. Governor has a vision for this county. We all have a shared vision for this county. Let us do our work. 2027 will come. Some of us will be elected, others will not be elected, but of importance is what we do now.
Ota ou ni wakwatilila kana mbunge ya kaunti ya Kitui ni yumiti kukwata mbau ukava wa utongoi kaunti nisu utongwewe ni Governor Julius Makau Malombe kuyanisya mawatho make ayenda ngwatini wakati wa ngava iisieli na kuvya ya ithe kanze kesi ya kunguthulwa kuma kivilani kwa mutongo yona wiva utongoini wa kaunti isu.
There needs to be cohesion and synergy between the county assembly and the county executive. I'll be very happy because Governor, we have done 5 others like this one. But whenever we go home, and I must say, sometimes even when we were planning this one, Governor, I was even fearing it. Because after every joint retreat, there's an impeachment going on. Back home. We did the first one, I was being impeached. We did the second one, there were impeachments of the Deputy Speaker. Even the previous one which we did here, Minister of Finance was being impeached. So I don't know, but this one will be impeached. I don't know. I just hope that somebody is saying me. It's okay, I don't feel impeachments under Bongoibo. Bring it on. I don't know. Because I know the plans to impeach me are ongoing. We are not friends, we are colleagues. We just met here. I don't need to be a friend to my brother Mbai. But we are colleagues, we have to work together.
Speaker Kinengo ingi ni wathingila vata wakuka na nzia mbailu sia uthukumi kwi mwene nthi wa Kitui aisukumisya vata wa waki wa maofisi ma mbunge wodini ni kana mbunge kwithiwa na utonyi wa umathukuma ene nthi nesa.
We want to support the government policies, government legislations, and as you do oversight, Your Excellency Governor, I want to assure you that we shall do objective oversight. Let's avoid fights. Let us avoid unnecessary wrongs. Let us focus in serving our people. Every month, Your Excellency, we spend 1 million paying rent for the ward offices. Since 2013 to date, we did some quick calculation. We have spent 177 million for paying rent. That money would have been used to buy drugs, to construct classrooms, and to repair roads.
Dilivoti ya vilingi wa Mauvo, yanitoa Mike Muli Wanyamai.